The attached sheet shows the result of the year business. Full stop. You will note that except for the first 2 months, business for the year was good. Full stop. We adopted a new sales policy in March, and since that time we have enjoyed the benefit of our new methods. Full stop. We have had about twice as many sales as in the same months last year. Full stop. We think that this is the best evidence we could have of the value of our new policy. Close.